Today I'm going to show you how to send out an email using a safe list. A safe list is the list that you join where you can send out emails to the other members, and the condition is that you have to be willing to receive emails from the other members as well. So everyone sends each other their own offers. The advantage of using safe lists is that people get credits for viewing your link, for viewing your offer, and you will get credits for viewing other people's offer. The more credits you have, the more you can advertise to the other members. And the huge advantage of Safelist is that real people actually see your ads. Yes, it is incentivized. They are getting points for viewing your ad, but I have purchased things off of Safelist, and the key to getting results with Safelist is to have a great offer. If you especially have a great offer that appeals to marketers, that really works out well. So we're going to take this one example of Lead Club. We're going to show you how to send out an email. First of all, you have to join the safe list. So you go over here, click Join Now. You just fill out your name. You have to have two separate email addresses, one contact email, one list email. The list email is where you will get all the other messages from the other members with the credit links in it. So you might want to use a secondary email account for that because you're going to get a lot of emails. This is just for contact between you and admin. Choose your username, password, how you would like to be paid commissions. If you choose to refer the program, you can earn commissions usually. Most safe lists have an option of free or pro. Here, the pro is just $2 a month, and there are certain advantages to the pro. Usually you could send out to more people. There's the free. Okay, you click join, then you go to the email address accounts that you have, and you click on the confirmation links, and you are ready to go. You will not be able to send out emails until you've clicked on both confirmation links in both emails. That's how most safe lists work. Then all you do is you go to the members area, you log in. Here we're going to log in. Now you go to Credit Mailer. Click on Credit Mailer. Very simple. You put the subject of your ad here, and you put the body of your ad here. This is an editor that will allow you to put it in HTML mode to have clickable links. I'll show you an example here. All right, now here I filled out my ad details. I have my subject, and you notice I use this full name tag. This will personalize the message so that the member will see their full name when they get the email, and this usually gets a better open ratio when you personalize the email and messages. Just think about it when you see your name. You think, hey, I actually signed up for this. Maybe I should check this out. So it's just a simple message. You got a catchy title here, and we have the body of the ad. And you could put HTML and so forth if you wanted here. However, when using the credit system, you want to put your link into the credit URL, because people will really want to click that link because they get credits every time they click it, and you have a much better chance of people seeing your ad if you put your link here. So I encourage people when sending with the credit method to put their link always in there. And indeed, many safe lists require that you do this because they want people to get high click-through rates to their links. They want people to get the best use of the system. It's better for everyone to do it that way. So I chose, there's 1,400 members in the safe list, so I said 1,433 confirmed members. So I chose to use 1,400 credits. I still have many left, and you see these ads on the left. You can also get text ads and banner ads and have them run throughout the system and use your credits for that. Each safe list work differently. That's how this one works. This is Lead Club. Okay, now I can choose to save the message. Then I click send. Here we go. And the mailing is in progress. It is simple as that. We can go to save messages. And here we see our saved messages, and I can go and come back and resend this in 2 days. This safe list allows pro members to send out every 2 days. So that is as simple as it is to send out an email to 1,400 people about your offer with a Safelist. With this Safelist, you could do that if you're a pro member, which is just $2 a month as of now. You can do that every other day. That's not a bad deal. You're going to get your ad in front of 1,400 eyeballs potentially every other day. And if your offer is great, you have a chance at convincing them to buy something. It's as simple as that. So really make sure your offer is just over the top, packed with value, and you got a shot at selling something off of Safelist, and it's quite inexpensive. So that's all there is for this video. Now you know how to send out an email with a Safelist. Hope this works well for you. This is Matt from QuickRegister.net.